Hey ladies, welcome to our working week. You finally made it here. So this week we have a discussion that's optional. You're welcome to post questions there. I will be checking in every day just to make sure that if you need anything, I'm there to get it for you or help you understand things. But just the main thing this week is just to be working on your project course. And just as a reminder, be bold, try new things. Remember that your grade is not focused on having the perfect class. It's making informed choices and being able to explain those choices. And there's a lot of weight for creativity and just trying things and being daring. So don't feel like it has to be perfect. Remember, you're not revamping an entire class. Just focus on making good decisions and being able to think through and explain why you've made each of those decisions. Please also review, the deliverables for next week. If you have any questions about what those are, please be sure to ask now. Thanks and have a great day.